Toby is really anxious to get in the house. A lot of thunder and wind. And Gus is more than willing to just sit here and stare out into the woods, because on the other side of the woods there's some kind of party. There's music. I don't know if it's live music or if it's some band, or live music or recorded music. But Gus is interested. Saturday, the feast of St. Peter Claver, who tended to the needs of the slaves, I believe in South America. Although I think is he also the patron saint of Shreveport, Louisiana, or is that someone else? Why would he be? There could be lots of reasons. They may have solicited his help, his intercessions for something. But anyway, St. Peter Claver, South America, helping the slaves that were just brought over and tending to their physical needs, and then afterwards tending to their spiritual needs. I hope you're experiencing some of the beautiful power of the wind wherever you're at today. And if you need respite from the sun, that you have a cloudy day to enjoy, because they're nice. It's nice to have that relief from the sun. Toby, you're really shaking. And I just wish you could feel the breeze that we're feeling now. I don't know if you can hear that. The bass. Okay, we're gonna get rained on. Bye.